Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will start our second number chapter. Our second number chapter is long and short. Here is one activity which has given. The name of the activity is how far apart are the dots. So what will you do for this? Here there are some dots given, and what you have to do, you have to answer the question which are given below. First, guess the distance between the two dots and how many centimeter is it. Now measure it with the help of scale. Do you guess right or not? For example, I am taking the two dots B and I. I thought the distance between them is around 3 centimeter. Now let's check it out. No, it's not exactly 3 centimeter. It's 1.567. 1.7. Okay. So see, I will show you again. It's 1.7. So the distance between B and I is 1.7 centimeter. We guessed 3 centimeter, but that's wrong. Now look at here. Second number question. Which two dots do you think are the farthest from each other? Farthest from each other. Can you see that? I thought O and M. Both are farthest from each other. Okay. We have in the earlier standard we have already learned about the measurement, right? In third standard we have learned. तो वही सारी चीज़ों को use करके we can solve this activity. Now we will measure the length between O and M. See. It's around 9.7. Okay, so check your answer. O and M, the distance (9.7 centimeter). Now next is which two dots are nearest to each other, and check your answer. I think O and D. These are the two dots which are nearby to each other. O and D. And check your answer. What is there? What else they ask? How much? 1 centimeter. Distance is 1 centimeter. Now turn your page. There will be a story. The shorter line. Akbar was famous king. He had smart minister called Birbal. Once Akbar gave him a difficult question. He drew a line on the floor and Akbar said, Birbal, here is a line. Make it shorter without erasing it. Now Birbal said, now your line is shorter. How? See. Birbal draw a line without erasing Akbar's line. Okay, draw another line which is longer than the Akbar's line. So we can say that Akbar's line is shorter than the Birbal's one. Now you can be a smarter as Birbal, make his line shorter without erasing it. Just think, is there any longest line? So what you have to do, you can also draw a longer line without erasing Akbar's line and Birbal's line like this. Okay, so you can be a smarter like a Birbal. Now next is a try this. Make your right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. Now, what you have to do in this? Here, you have to draw another arm which is greater than 1 centimeter than the left arm. Okay? Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. ये left वाला arm है. You have to draw 1 centimeter longer arm on right side as compared to the left. For example, this is a 1 centimeter line. So what you have to do? You have to draw here this side 2 centimeter longer line and make an arm like this. Fine. Next is draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. For example, this is a cup having around 2 centimeter, right? 2 centimeter. So you have to draw a cup which is having only 1 centimeter. Fine. Like this. You can draw it yourself. But make sure the measurement would be 1 centimeter, which is half of this given cup. Now next, draw a broom half as long as this broom. Okay, for example, this broom has been measured for 3, 4, 4. Let me check. उसका half करना है 4.5. Okay, you have to make the broom which is half of this length. So you have to do it yourself. Draw another hair of the double the length. Okay. You have to draw another hair which is double the length of the first. So it should be look like this and it would be funniest as well. On the next page, page number 15, you can see that how tall have you grown. Now first question, do you remember that in class 3 you measured your height? Okay, here this is the homework part. First of all, I must say this is the homework part. As I don't know your height, you have to measure it yourself. If you have remembered your height in 3rd standard, then you have to write down here. And do you think you have grown taller? Yes, definitely everybody has growing taller now, as you all are a growing child. And how much centimeters? So you have to take the measurement of your height in centimeter and write down here. That you have to do it yourself. And have your friends also grown taller? So yes, definitely all your friends are growing taller now. Now next is find out and fill the table below. So here is a friend's name, last year's height, this year's height, and you have to find out the difference. How many centimeter they grown. For example, your friend's name is Rita. Her height is 39 centimeter. Now she become 41 centimeter. This is example. Okay, so what is the difference? 2 centimeter का different हुआ. Fine. So this way you will fill up the table by measuring the height of your friends. Next, here is a Jhumpa. Jhumpa once read a list of tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double the Jhumpa's height. Here we have to find out the height of Jhumpa. See, the one of the tallest man's height is 272 centimeter, which is just double the height of Jhumpa's height. So we can say that the Jhumpa's height is half of this height. Okay, so half means uska आधा करना मतलब you will do the divide by 2. By doing the division, you will get the height of Jhumpa. So here is 272 divided by 2, where you will find out the answer 136, which is 136 centimeters is the height of Jhumpa. Now, you have to imagine, could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? Here we are talking about that person who is having height 272 centimeter. It can pass through your class without bending from the door through the door. So I think your answer is no. And second number question, will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands straight? अगर वो सीधा खड़ा रहेगा तो उसका फेस छत को टच होगा? I think your answer is no. Now next is the long and short of your family, that you have to find out yourself in a homework. Who is the tallest in your family and who is the shortest in your family? You have to write down the name and the height in centimeter. Centimeter में measure करके आप उनकी height लिखोगे. And what is the difference between their height, and find out the difference between their height. Based on the textual exercise, there are some exercise in your workbook as well. So let's move to the workbook. Here is the question number 1. Which one is the longest? Put circle around the order given below the figure. So number D is the longest one. You will compare it. Number 2, write the answer to the following question. Number 1, which two dots are nearest to each other? Here we can see that the D and E is nearest to each other. Now let's measure the distance. It is about 1 centimeter. So which dots are nearest? D and E. And how many centimeter? 1 centimeter. Now second number question is, which two dots are farthest from each other? Okay, so here dot F and K are very much farthest from each other. Now we are going to compare. It is around 7 centimeter. So F and K, and the distance is 7 centimeter. Now next question number 3. What is the shortest distance between the dots A and B? First you will find out A and B. You have to find out the shortest distance between the dots A and B. Here, what will you do? Just measure the distance like this. This is the shortest one. If you are moving here, and then you will go to the B, it will take too much distance. So 6 centimeter. Now question number 2. Which town is nearest to dot X blank, and which town is farthest from dot X? farthest सबसे दूर कौन सा है? Town D, and the nearest one is town A. Can you see that town A is nearest to the dot X and town D is farthest from the dot X? So here is town A. Look at the next page. Question number 4. In which unit will you measure? You have to measure the unit. In which unit you will measure this thing? Length of a pen, it would be measured in centimeter. जो चीज़ ऐसी छोटी सी होगी तो सेंटीमीटर में होगी. If it is a law. Look at the next page. Next is a question number 4. In which unit will you measure? Okay, here you have to write down the unit to measure the length of the given object. For example, number 1, length of a pencil. It should be measured in centimeter. Then your height would be measured in meter. Length of a garden would be measured in meter. length of a 500 rupees note would be measured in centimeter. Length of a bicycle would be measured in meter. Now the distance from Ahmedabad to Jaipur, which is quite long, so it would be measured in kilometer. Height of the Qutub Minar, it would be measured in meter. Height of a tree would be measured in meter. The distance of the bus station from home would be measured in kilometer, and length of a cricket pitch would be measured in meter. Okay, sorry, there is a mistake. Fine. Now next is question number 5. Do the changes in the picture as per instruction by drawing them in the space provided. So increase the length of hand by 1 centimeter. First you will find out the length is 1 centimeter and the length of hand by 1 centimeter. दूसरे side का हमें 2 centimeter करना है. So it's just like the textual exercise, this much. Draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. See, look at here, this cup is around 2.5 centimeter. तो आपको उसका half करके you have to find out, sorry 3 centimeter है, actual 3 centimeter, तो 3 का half होगा 1.5. So you have to draw the cup with this much of height, that you will do it yourself. Draw a broom with the length half than this broom. You have to draw the half broom with the half of this length. Draw a pencil 3 centimeters shorter than this pencil. So this pencil is around 6 centimeter. Then you have to draw a pencil of 3 centimeter. इतना छोटा पेंसिल आपको बनाने का है. That you can do it yourself, because drawing part is always fun part, and I hope you love to do it. Turn your page number 22, where you will find out the question number 5. Draw another hair of double the height. उससे double height का एक hair करना है. We are done it. Now number 6, do as directed. Measure the boundary using thread and write. So that thing you will do it yourself. For example, यहाँ पर आपने एक dot लगाया. Now you will start measuring from here as per the given shape. Put the thread there and find out the length of that thread in a centimeter. Fine. So this is the homework part, that you will do it yourself. Measure and write the length of the lines. आपको जो line दी है, you have to measure and write down the length. See, we have done this kind of exercise in 3rd standard, right? So that would be easy. So here we can find out it is around 5.8 centimeter. Then number B, try to do it 4 centimeter. Now draw the line as per the given measures. So you will do it yourself. Draw number 4, draw a square of 5 centimeter by 5 centimeter. मतलब ये जो एक स्क्वायर है उसकी सारी साइड 5 सेंटीमीटर की चाहिए. Now next is a draw a rectangle of 7 centimeter by 5 centimeter. The longest line would be 7 centimeter and the short line would be 5 centimeter. So this is a rough sketch of your rectangle. You have to draw it with the proper measurement using the scale and draw over here. Now number 7. Number 7 is a convert. See, we have done the conversion in 3rd standard, right? Conversion of length from meter to centimeter and from centimeter to meter. So here first one convert into centimeter. So first what will you do? You have to remember the equation 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right? So 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter. 45, you have to just put a 20 after the meter, then it will be convert into centimeter. That's the trick. Or you can say 75 multiplied by 100, then it is 7,500 centimeter. 45 मल्टीप्लाई बाय, सी यहाँ पर हम बड़े में से छोटे में जा रहे हैं. जब बड़े में से छोटे में जाते हैं तब क्या करते हैं? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी आर डूइंग मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. ये मैंने आपको थर्ड में सिखाया था. नाउ अगेन दिस इज अ ट्रिकी पार्ट. सो व्हाट विल यू डू फॉर दिस? हियर इज 8.4 multiplied by 100. That means remove the decimal point, 10, cut the 0, 840 centimeter. Fine. Next, convert into meter. Simple. 2 0 निकाल दो. Done. Here is 5 kilometers. तो अगेन बड़े में से छोटे में जाना है आपको. बड़े में से किस में जाना है? छोटे में से जाना है. तो व्हाट विल यू डू? यहाँ पर इक्वेशन है 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर. So 5 kilometer means 5 multiplied by 1000. So it is a 5000 meter. Now number 3, 670 centimeter. Here what will you do? You have to divide by 100. So convert into decimal 6 point. Here is a 10. So after the one digit from the last you will put the 0 and that's your answer. Convert into meter. Now this is a kilometer. Kilometer is a bigger unit and meter is a smaller unit. So बड़े में से छोटे में जाना है. तो what will you do for that? You will do the multiplication. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 2.5 multiplied by 1000. So here remove the decimal point. 2500 meter. Understood? Next, number 3, complete the table. So that's super easy. मीटर सेंटीमीटर तो बहुत easily हो जाएगा, but for the kilometer and meter, let's do it. See, 100 centimeter, 1 meter, 3 meter, 300 centimeter, 500 centimeter, 5 meter. Now 50 multiplied by 100 means 5000. See, हो गया 5000. Same thing for this. 1000 meter, 1 kilometer, 35. So what will you do for number 10, where you will find out 1.8? Whenever you will find out a decimal point, right? So during that time what will you do? You will write down the number as it is and put a 20, only 20. You will not get there 30 because यहाँ पर 10 decimal point का है. So you will not get that. So 3500 means 3.5, as you will get here only 2 zeros. तो ये दिमाग में रख ही देना है. Right now we are not going to do the conversion this way. Now 4.3 means 4300. Same thing we will do it for the 5, 6, 7, 8, but for that we have to remember the equation 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here is 480 centimeter. So what will you do? Only 1 0 is there, तो एक decimal point आएगा 4.8 मीटर. अगेन हियर यू विल फाइंड आउट द डेसिमल पॉइंट. तो 1 0 रिड्यूस करेंगे एंड 520. अगेन 1 0, 7.4, 810. Okay, so this is the way we can complete the table orally. And now we are a grown up child. अभी हम 4th में आ गए, तो ये सारी चीज़ें orally करनी सीखनी पड़ेगी, because it will help you in the further standard to counting with the speed. Okay, so these are the trick that I am showing you. Now number 8, fill in the empty space in the table and write the answer the following question. Here in this table you will get the name of the plant, height of the last month and height of this month in centimeter, increase in the height. आपको उसकी height कितनी increase हुई है वो आपको लिखना है. First of all, what you have to do, we will find out the height, increase height. Neem plant, see the height of the tulsi plant is already written, and we will write down the height of the neem plant. 14 minus 10, 4. 16 minus 12, again 4. 36 minus 20. So what will you do? 6, 16. Okay. So 32 minus 31, so 1. So these are the height of the plants. Now based on that, there are some question answer. Number A, height of which plant increased the most? सबसे ज़्यादा किसकी increase हुई है? So here is a bamboo. Fine. And how much? 16 centimeter. Number B, height of which plant increased the least and how much? Which plant? 1 centimeter, which is rose, and how much? 1 centimeter. Now next, number C, how much more has bamboo grow than mango tree? By doing subtraction of 16 minus 4, you will get the height that bamboo will grow this much as compared to the mango tree. Now question number D, how much less has tulsi grown than neem? Tulsi, how much less has tulsi grow than neem? तुलसी नीम से कितना लेस ग्रो हुआ है. तो हियर इज अ नीम हैज़ अ हाइट 4 centimeter and the tulsi has a height 2 centimeter. By doing the subtraction you will get the answer 2 centimeter. Okay, आपको नीम में से तुलसी को माइनस करना है. Number E, what is the difference between increase in height of tulsi and rose plant? What is the height of the tulsi? 2 centimeter. What is the height of the rose, which has increased 1 centimeter? So what will you do? Do the subtraction and you will get the answer 1 centimeter. Okay, so this is it for this session. Next time I will see you. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.